Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I wanted to share about how to align the delivery process in a critical part in supply chain. The main step that companies need to follow in order to implement it successfully. Let's begin. No matter how good they are, the things that you make don't have any real value until they get it to a customers. So, the fourth set of processes in the SCORE models focus on delivering products and services. The deliver processes fall into three main categories: order management, transportation, and distributions. Order management includes the processes you use to take orders from a customers. This could be the processes for check up the lane in a grocery store, the drive-through lane in a restaurant, or an e-commerce website. Whatever business you're in, order management is about customer deciding to buy something from you and you making the commitments to deliver it. The next set of delivery process in a warehouse or distribution center is receiving products, putting them away, picking them, packing them, and shipping them off to the next step in a supply chain. For example, you might ship products to a retail store or to your final customers. And that brings us to the third set of deliver processes. Transportations, trucks, trains, and airplanes are all examples of different models of transportations. In order to choose the right mode of shipments, you need information about the products, information about the customers, and information about where it's being shipped from and to. Companies rarely handle all their order managements, transportations, and distributions alone. The firm hired to help are called third-party logistics provider, or we call it 3PLs. And sometimes they hire brokers that call 4PLs to manage the 3PLs. The deliver process starts when you receive a customer's order and it ends when the product is delivered. So, if you think about it, the very best metric for all the processes from order to delivery is the percentage of perfect orders. In other words, what's the percentage of orders where your customers get the right products delivered to the right place for the right price at the right time and in the right conditions. Your deliver processes are the last link in the supply chain between your companies and your customers. So, aligning the processes you use to manage orders, distributions, and transportations is a critical part of implementing supply chain management successfully. When you see the result in terms of a high perfect order score, then you will know that you are really delivering on the commitments that you and your company are making to your customers. That's the end of my sharing in today's video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channels and click the notifications bell so you can get the notifications when I have uploaded my new video. I hope that you enjoy it and find it informative and you learn something new in the topics that I have presented. So once again, my name is Vivienne and I see you in my next video.